Hey there, fellow travelers. Do you ever stop to think about all the germs and grime that collect on your suitcase during your travels? From airport bathrooms to hotel rooms, our suitcases can pick up all kinds of unwanted guests along the way. That's why I make it a habit to clean my suitcase after every trip. I use a sanitizer wipe to clean all sides and handles of the suitcase, and then focus on the most important part, the wheels. Those little rollers can collect all sorts of nastiness from the airport floor, so it's crucial to give them a good wipe down too. This is especially important for carry-on suitcases, which are often taken into airport bathrooms and other high-traffic areas. By cleaning your suitcase when you get home, you can help prevent the spread of germs and keep your travel gear in top condition. So next time you return from a trip, take a few minutes to give your suitcase a good cleaning. Your health and your suitcase will thank you.